Hey guys, how are you? In today's video, I am going to tell you that how can you remove your Facebook account from your Instagram account. So whenever you upload a story, you will ever see that your Instagram story is on your Facebook account story. So today I will tell that how can you remove that from your Instagram. So we will simply open our Instagram account and now we will tap on our right bottom like our avatar. Let's click on it. When you click it, you see that on right top corner the three lines above and the settings option. You have to just open your settings, and now on accounts, click on your accounts option. Here you can see, scroll down and you can see sharing to other apps. Yes, right here you have seen sharing to other apps. Click it. You can see here my Facebook account linked to my Instagram account. You have to just click on it, and here you have to click on your Facebook accounts, now profile, and on accounts. Click on accounts, and from here you can remove it. So thank you so much for watching the video. We will meet again in next video. Till then, goodbye.